Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are opening up another Play by Sephora. So let's get in and let's get into the package. Alright guys, welcome back. Like I said, we're opening up a Sephora Play by Sephora here. Now, I know what you're thinking. How the heck does she have a Sephora Play box? Okay, if you've been following my channel, you guys know I recently moved. I moved in April. Now, this package was supposed to be received at my old address. It said it was delivered, and I was going crazy because I knew it was the last box. I contacted Sephora. They showed it was delivered too. Now, the only thing they said, it was like, I'm sorry, it does show it's delivered. All we can do is offer you a refund because that was the last box and there is no replacing the box. It's sold out because it was the last box. So I was so disappointed. I was trying to find this package everywhere, but we moved and I was like, you know what? I'll chuck it as a loss. I'm never going to get that package. This was delivered somewhere in the United States Post Office delivery system on April 15th. I received this on June 28th. So super crazy, but it's my last box. I had to share this one with you guys so you can see. Hopefully you guys are interested. I just want to share it just as my last hurrah for the box, since there's no more Sephora Plays. All right, or Play by Sephora's, whatever you want to call it. All right, so you guys know what the box looks like. Looks like that. I like this one because it always gave me like products that I knew I wasn't gonna probably not be aware of, and it gave me a variety of products. So if you guys know, I know that there is a Sephora Favorites Hello box now, which is $15 plus tax. I'll put that information under the video so you guys can check that out. That one, actually, you do get to see. These were super random, so you didn't get to have an idea of what was coming, but this one you do get to see. So on all the Sephora Play boxes, it gave you like a theme. So the theme for this one, obviously, it's graduation time. So this was the class of 2020. Just giving them, you know, different ideas. And on the other side, it told you what you got. So you guys see already what's in my box. Oh, and they gave some stickers. So there you go. You got some stickers here too. Let me just show you guys how it comes inside. So that's the way that it looks. And they always give you like a little, kind of like a Ziploc bag is what I call it. Because you can actually use this for other stuff too, which I do. I usually use these for my empties videos, just to hold the little stuff that I get. And that's it. All right, so let's take a look and see what I got in this package here. So the first thing I have is from Shiseido. And let me see. This is a little simple, but this is the Ultimate Sun Protection Lotion Wet Force SPF 50. It says this weightless, fast absorbing formula. Hold on. Weightless, fast absorbing formula provides broad spectrum SPF 50 protection. Plus, its velvety finish is ideal for everything under makeup. All right, so this is cool. So this is like SPF. Oh, I like it. And I don't know if you guys know, usually with sunscreen, they have like that awful SPF smell. This does not. So I will definitely be using that all the time. I might have to buy that one because it doesn't smell like that nasty SPF stuff. It's hard for me to use day cream because the SPF smell is just killer for me. All right, and the next one I have here is Belief. I love Belief products. Now Belief, this is the moisturizing eye balm. So this is our piece de resistance eye product, my horrible French. It's a lightweight cream that delivers a burst of moisture and boosts the appearance skin's elasticity for 26 hours. So this is definitely something that you can use during the morning. And of course, this is not huge, but it's enough. And it doesn't have like a smell to it at all. Let me see. With eye creams, you kind of don't need a lot. I remember in Sephora, the best sample they used to tell you to get was eye creams, because even this will last you a while because you're only dabbing a little bit with your, your ring finger there. So you're not putting a lot anyway. All right, so let me see here. The next thing I have here is from Clinique. This is Clinique Pop Splash. So what is this? This is lip gloss. Okay, cool. Let me see this one. And again, like lip gloss, you don't need a lot for lip gloss. That'll go a long way. This is Pop Splash lip gloss in 12 Rose Water. I love lip gloss. They used to let you choose your preferences. So this is how it looks there, if you see that. So like a hottish, kind of light pink. When you put it on, it's gonna be like light color. Lip gloss doesn't go crazy. It's usually not that dark. But Clinique is usually very expensive. Well, not very expensive, but it's a little bit more expensive. And then the next thing we have here, we have 3 more things. So the next thing I have here is Soy Face Cleanser. This is from the company Fresh. And it says, this is a go-to formula, removes dirt and makeup without dripping the skin of essential moisture. It's skincare routine, basic, you don't need to know, oh, you didn't know you needed. So it's skin cleanser. I love skin cleanser. Anything skin cream is for me. And then makeup eraser. So that's just a sample. I actually have a sample that I'm reviewing on my blog, so definitely check that out. I used the sample for the first time, and let's just say you need this in your life. I don't know if you guys have ever tried this. Let me know in the comment section below if you have. Makeup eraser, it is like a cotton ball saver. It saves the energy. You just use this and swipe and you're done. And then you just throw it in the washing machine to clean, and then you're off in the races again. This thing, I used the sample first is what I reviewed. That sample lasted me a long time. So I'm not gonna take it out the box because I still have that sample. I actually have the full size version of it, but the sample is still live and kicking. So I'm gonna kick that thing. And I think this has 1,000 washes is what it says. So it says, yes, 1,000 washes. All you have to do is wet it and wipe your face. I think this is like $20. I don't know, I'll put it on my blog so you guys can check that out. This saves you those makeup wipes. You don't have to keep throwing things away. You just basically wipe your face and it looks like this is what it looks like. It's serious. Definitely get that if you don't have. And they always used to give us a bonus. So this is from Amika. This is, what is this? This is Soul Food Nourishing Mask. I actually have the spray bottle version of this. The first time I've ever tried Amika, I got it from Sephora Place. So I'm super happy that they closed my box out with this again. I love Amika products. I've purchased the full-size version of their products also. And this says, never forget, masking isn't just for your face. This deep conditioning treatment restores and repairs dry and damaged hair. So I love it. I'm not going to open it because it's not closable again. But let's recap and see what all I can close out my Sephora play with. So we know we have the Amika hair mask. We have my favorite magic eraser. We have our fresh soy cleanser. We also have Shiseido sunscreen, which I would definitely get that because it doesn't have a smell to it. If you are like me and you totally don't like the smell of sunscreen. And then we have Belief, we have the Eye Aqua Balm, and then we have the lip gloss from Clinique is what we have. And then the stickers you can share with your kiddos. So I don't know, what did you guys think of Sephora Play just in general? I like this box. This is always one of my favorites. I loved it because the products were always so unique. Even though they weren't like super huge, it was only $10. But like I said, I'll put the information for Sephora favorites now. Those are $10, so you guys can check that out if you want to see that. But like I said, they show you actually what's in the box, so it's not really curated to yourself. This is what it is, and this is what you're gonna get basically. So if you like it, you can just purchase it. All right. So with that being said, you guys make sure to comment, like, and subscribe so you never miss another video. And with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a good day, guys.